Hello, I'm Diane Cornegie, Superintendent of Lake County Schools. Each October, schools across the country join together to recognize National Bullying Prevention Month, a time to raise awareness, promote kindness, and stand united against bullying. At Lake County Schools, this month is more than a campaign, it's a commitment. Every student deserves to feel safe, respected, and supported at school. Bullying can take many forms, whether it's physical harm, verbal insults, spreading rumors, online harassment, or deliberately leaving someone out. No matter the form, the impact can be deep and long-lasting. That's why it's important for all of us, students, staff, and families, to work together to stop bullying before it starts. If you ever see or suspect bullying, please speak up. You or your child can talk with a trusted adult at school, fill out a bullying or harassment report form, or make an anonymous report by calling 1-800-423-TIPS. Students who engage in bullying are held accountable under our Code of Conduct, but our true goal is prevention. We want kindness, empathy, and acceptance to be part of everyday life in every classroom, hallway, and school event. One special way we'll show that commitment is on Unity Day, Wednesday, October 22nd. On this day, we encourage everyone to wear orange as a visible reminder that we stand together against bullying and support kindness, acceptance, and inclusion in our schools and our communities. This month and every month, let's show our students that we stand with them. When adults model respect and compassion, our children learn to do the same. Together, we can make Lake County Schools a place where bullying has no home and every child can thrive. Thank you for partnering with us to keep our schools safe and welcoming for everyone.